Have you ever recovered from an injury but still felt afraid to move? That fear is more common than people realize, and it can affect recovery more than the injury itself. Hi, I'm Christina Worthing, Registered Psychologist at In-Step Physical Therapy. And today let's talk about the fear of movement after injury, why it happens, and how people can gradually rebuild confidence in their bodies. So why fear happens after injury? After pain or injury, the brain naturally tries to protect the body, and people may begin to avoid certain movements, exercise, lifting, walking, or physical activity, not because the body is always unsafe, but because the brain remembers what happened and wants to prevent it from happening again. How avoidance affects recovery. The problem is, avoiding movement completely can sometimes lead to increased stiffness, muscle weakness, reduced confidence, higher anxiety around activity, and over time the body may become more sensitive to movement. So step one is to start with safe movement. Recovery often begins with small, controlled movements, and that could mean gentle stretching, short walks, guided physiotherapy exercises, because the goal is to help the brain and the body relearn that movement can feel safe again. And step two is to focus on progress, not perfection. Recovery is rarely linear, and some days feel easier than others, and that's totally normal. Building confidence happens gradually through consistency and positive movement experiences. Step three is address the emotional side of recovery. Pain is physical, but recovery also involves fear, frustration, anxiety, a loss of confidence. Acknowledging those emotions is an important part of healing too.
Rebuilding confidence after injury. FAQs. Why am I afraid to move after an injury?
Well, the brain often associates movement with pain, remembers what happens, and it tries to protect your body from further harm.
Can fear of movement slow down recovery?
Yes, avoiding movement completely can contribute to stiffness, weakness, and reduced confidence.
How do I rebuild confidence after an injury?
Gradual exposure to safe movement and guided rehabilitation can help restore confidence.
Is fear of movement normal after pain or injury?
Yes, it is a very common response during recovery.
Can psychological support help during injury recovery?
Yes, support can help individuals manage fear, stress, and anxiety related to movement and recovery. Now, if you're looking for psychological support during injury recovery, pain recovery support in Edmonton, or a registered psychologist here, I, Christina Worthing at In-Step Physical Therapy, provide supportive care to help individuals rebuild confidence, manage stress, and move forward during recovery.